hungry. I want some cookies. Cookies. Can't wait to eat cookies. You hungry? You want some cookies? Cookies. Cookie. This is really good. I love this cookie. I want another one. Let's get green this time. This one is better than the last. Really good. I feel like jumping now. Woo! Yay! Oh, ow! My wrist. Oh, I think I broke it. I need the doctor. Dr. DJ! DJ, I need your help.
What's wrong, Mama?
I hurt my wrist and I really need a doctor.
You need Band-Aid?
Yeah, can you go get the doctor for me?
Yeah.
Okay, hurry up. Thank you.
We'll go. Dr. DJ, where are man? Come on, man. Dr. DJ. Yay!
Yay, the doctor's here.
Okay.
You have your Band-Aids?
Yeah?
Can you put them all over my wrist, please?
Yeah. Hey, Mama.
Okay, thank you, Dr. DJ.
They're all fine.
Okay.
Wow, they're all dead.
That's a lot of Band-Aids.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank
Can you put that on my wrist, please?
Yeah. It hurts.
Right here. It hurts right here.
Okay. Got you.
Oh, thank you, Dr. DJ. That feels much, much better.
Give more Band-Aid.
You need more? Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Thank you, Dr. DJ. That feels much, much better now. I think I'm good.
Yeah. What happened, Mama?
I was jumping on the couch.
You fell?
Oh, yeah, I did fall.
Johnny.
Yes, Papa.
Any cookies?
No, Papa.
Very nice.
No, Papa.
Open your mouth.
Ah, ha, ha.
He eat it.
No cookies.
Cookie.
All right, DJ, now that I feel much better, let's go jump on the couch.
Yeah.
Come on. Yay!
You got a score on me, man.
Yeah.
Let's go. No, got it. Try again, man. Let's go. No, I got it again. Come on, you got a screw on me, DJ. Come on. Oh, no. Give me some. You scored on me, man. DJ, you want to play soccer again?
I want drink.
Okay, DJ, can you grab me a drink too?
Okay, Daddy. It's really good. They play us hard.
Where's DJ at? Oh, DJ, I've been waiting for you. Let's go, man.
What should I watch next on DJ's Clubhouse? Wait! Oh no, I've been watching DJ's Clubhouse for too long. Time to cook dinner. Let's go see what's in the freezer. Oh, ouch! Oh, my ankle! What did I slip on? Is this water? Ouch! Who spilled water here? DJ! Help! Ow! My ankle! Oh no! DJ!
Mama need me.
DJ, you're finally getting help. Ow, I hurt my ankle. I hurt my ankle. I need help. Can you help me?
Yeah?
Look at it right here. You see that?
Yeah?
It hurts really bad. I think we need a doctor.
Yeah.
So can you go get the doctor for me?
Yeah?
Okay, go get him. Hurry.
Mama, I need my help. You need doctor. I need doctor now. Doctor, come on. Dr. DJ. Yay! Paw Patrol Band-Aid.
Doctor, thank you for coming. Can you help me now?
Yeah.
What's that right there?
Paw Patrol Band-Aid.
Can you put them on my ankle?
Yeah.
It really needs it.
Yeah.
Okay, can you open the box for me?
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh, my ankle hurts so bad. Okay, DJ. Oh, man. Oh, my ankle. Oh, we gotta open these Band-Aids. Paw Patrol, save me. Okay. Okay. Here you go. Can you place it, please?
Yeah.
Right here. It hurts right here.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Thank you. That's starting to feel a little bit better.
Yeah.
Now we need some more.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we need another Band-Aid.
Oh, what hurt?
It hurts right here. All right here. So Paw Patrol and the doctor got saved me.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I'm shaking, DJ.
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Wait, who's this?
Woo-hoo.
I know that person. That's Wubble?
Yeah.
Okay, gotta take off the back stickers. Good job. Oh, we need more Band-Aids. Dr. DJ, thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
It feels so much better now that I got all my Paw Patrol Band-Aids.
Yeah.
You know what?
But,
Let's see if we can dance.
yeah.
Ready? Ooh. Yay! Yay! I feel better. Look, I can hop on one ankle. Yay!
DJ, you did a good job helping Mama earlier.
Yeah.
So I want to reward you, and I want to reward you with some cookies. So I'm gonna let you choose. Do you want a Christmas cookie or you want sugar cookies?
I want this cookie.
This cookie?
Yeah.
Okay, buddy. You did a wonderful job. There you go.
Thank you.
Just grab one. We can't eat too much sugar. Uh-oh, wait. Johnny,
Papa.
eating sugar,
Papa.
telling lies.
Papa.
Open your mouth.
Ha ha ha.
Good job, man. You gotta cover your mouth, DJ. You gotta cover your mouth. You gotta. We don't want the viewers to get sick, man.
Yeah.
We don't want the Clubhouse kids to get sick. I'm Clubhouse Dad.
Papa DJ.
And I'm Clubhouse Mom.
And we are all sick, guys.
Yeah.
And today, we should play hide and seek. How about that? We'll play hide and seek?
Hide and seek sounds
Yeah.
fun. Maybe it make us feel all better.
Yeah, maybe it cheer us up, man.
Yeah.
You know? Okay, Mom. Clubhouse Mom, can you check me to make sure my heart's beating like it's supposed to?
Let me check you.
Guys. Oh, can you hear my heart?
I don't hear it.
Oh no. Wait, listen again.
You're good, but it sounds a little clogged.
Oh, we gotta check DJ to make sure he's okay.
Let me see. Breathe in. Breathe out. Go again.
Deep breath, DJ. Doctor, how's he
Sounds
doing?
a little better than you, but I think he's starting to get really bad.
Oh no, DJ. You wanna play hide and seek to cheer you up?
Yeah.
Alright, so who's going first?
Me.
You wanna go first?
Mama or Daddy? Or should we rock, paper, scissors, shoot?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Let's rock, paper, scissors, shoot,
Ready?
Mom.
Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
So
Oh.
that means I have to count first?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. I'm gonna sit right here.
Come on, DJ. We gotta go hide.
Yeah.
What's
Clubhouse
that
kids.
count to, 100?
Count to 10, Mom.
10? Okay, I gotta keep you. Wanna keep this with you guys or with
Oh, yeah.
me?
DJ, come here, buddy.
Okay.
Come on. We gotta make sure we don't get sicker.
Okay, yeah, keep that with you guys so you guys stay good, okay?
Let's go hide, DJ.
1, 2,
Come on, D.
4, 5.
Oh, DJ, come on. Come over here.
Okay.
Oh, no. Let's get on here.
Yeah.
Let's get on here. Come on.
Okay.
Oh, no. Oh, my shoes. Oh, let's go.
19, 20. Ready or not, here I come. Oh man, I know where they could be. Christmas tree. Nope, nobody's here. Okay. Oh man, where should I go next? I think they're under the chairs. Nobody's under here. Nothing but some shoes and a rug. Cupcakes. I wonder who ate all these cupcakes. They're not in there. Nothing but some clean dishes. Oh man.
DJ.
What?
Oh, gotta be quiet.
Oh, I think I smell some sickness coming up. Oh, I think I hear something. Somebody in here? I see a purple chair. Anybody under there? Hello? I smell you guys! Oh, here I come.
Oh no! DJ! DJ!
Get your Clubhouse dad.
DJ! Oh no!
And I got you, Clubhouse dad.
Oh no! Oh man! You alright,
I
DJ?
think DJ needs to check me.
DJ, you gotta check Mama to make sure she's okay. You okay, Mama?
Sick. Okay,
Who's gone?
right here.
Okay.
Okay. Do I sound good?
Yeah.
I do?
You hear anything, DJ?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
Is she okay?
Gonna be okay?
Yeah.
Thank you, doctor.
Okay.
It's okay, Mom.
Okay,
It's
you're
okay.
next, Dad.
Okay. I guess I gotta go count.
You gotta go count.
Okay, guys, Clubhouse kids. I guess I'm next, so I have to go count. Clubhouse kids, I'm getting very sick. I have to start counting before I can feel better. 1, 2, 3, 4,
Come on, over here.
5,
Right there.
6,
Right here, right here, right here.
7, 8,
Okay.
9, 10,
Guys, we're hiding behind the Christmas tree.
12,
Oh, DJ, my head. You gotta be quiet, hey? Okay.
17, 18. I'm not gonna finish counting. Clubhouse kids, I'm getting really sick. I think I'm thirsty. Really sick, Clubhouse kids. I need some water before I go find where they at. I feel much better, guys. Let's go find them, guys. Clubhouse kids, come with me. Oh, I think they're inside there. I found you! Oh, they're apparently not in here, guys. Let me go over here. They're not over here. No, they're not. Okay. Oh, they might be under the stove, guys. Got you! It's just a toaster under here. Okay. Might not be a good idea. Okay. Wait. Might be in. Oh. Not in there. Clubhouse kids, I don't know if I'm going to make it. I'm getting really sick. Oh my god. Found you! Oh, they're not in here, Clubhouse kids. But I did find some candy. Clubhouse kids. You guys want some peeps? You want a peeps? I think I want some candy. Clubhouse kids, Tootsie Rolls. I love Tootsie Rolls. I'm about to eat some. I love Tootsie Rolls, guys. Clubhouse kids, I feel better already. I eat candy. Oh my god. Clubhouse kids, oh my god. Clubhouse kids, that's really good. Back to finding them. Where can they go? Clubhouse kids. All right. Oh! Oh no, nothing's in here, guys. I thought they was. I know where they could be. They behind here, guys. Ah! Oh, nobody's behind there. Okay, come on, Clubhouse kids. Guys, where you at?
Be quiet. I'm getting really sick, DJ.
Where you at, guys?
Don't laugh.
Are they under the chair? Laughed again? I think that's coming from over by the Christmas tree.
We gotta be quiet.
Where is it? Is it coming from the Christmas tree area?
He's over there.
Let me check behind. Oh, I found him! Oh, I found him!
Whoa, DJ, come on! Whoa, the Christmas tree's moving! Come on, DJ! Come on! We gotta go! Go! Oh, Dad's coming to get us, DJ! DJ, go! Go! He's gonna get you! Uh-oh, DJ! Come on this way! Come on! Oh, DJ!
Hey, Mom.
Hey.
Hey, Mom.
Hey!
Hey, Mom.
Hey! Whoa!
Got you.
Oh, man.
No.
You feeling all right, Clubhouse Dad?
I don't know, Dr. DJ. Can you check on me?
Yeah. I think Clubhouse Dad's getting really sick, DJ.
Please check on me.
Check his heart, okay? Is he okay? What does he sound like? You hear his heart?
How is it sounding?
I'm good.
It sounds good?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, Clubhouse DJ, I need to see if you're doing all right, okay? Breathe in, breathe out. Oh, wow. It sounds like it got a lot better. Do it again. Oh, okay, let's hear back. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay, breathe in, breathe out. Clubhouse kids, I think DJ's doing a lot better since we played hide and go seek. How do you feel?
Good.
You feel good?
Yeah.
You sick anymore?
No.
I think he's all better now.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow.
Time to listen to Mama. See if I got better. Okay.
Yeah. Little Mama.
Can you listen?
Let's see that.
How I'm sounding, DJ?
Good.
I sound good?
Yeah.
You know what, DJ?
Yeah.
I feel better.
Me too.
You want some candy?
Yeah.
Come on, let's get up and get some candy.
Guys, I feel better too.
Ready?
Clubhouse Dad feel better too. I don't feel sick anymore, guys.
You want
Candy?
some peeps?
You know that peeps?
I don't want peeps. I want a sucker.
Yay.
Here, how about you eat this sucker?
Yeah.
It's good, DJ? What about Clubhouse Dad?
You want a sucker, Clubhouse?
Yes, I would love a sucker. We all feel better.
Yeah.
Oh, the Clubhouse Dad.
Good.
This feels so much better. I'm glad I feel good. Clubhouse DJ, you feel much better?
Yep. I want this second.
Okay.
Come on, that's just rapper.
You feel much better, Mom?
I feel a lot better now that I'm eating candy.
Clubhouse, you want to say bye to the Clubhouse kids?
Bye, guys.